Hi everyone, let's begin a complete entire dashboard, how we are going to prepare. I have shown you in my last video, this is the dashboard, but we have not prepared complete dashboard in that video. And I had prepared today one more dashboard. Now I just want to share with you what is the difference of the border. How border it will give impact on all these visualization. Here is in this dashboard, you can see this is the border I had already put it. But here is in this in this dashboard, you can see border is missing. So now the border itself, it creates visualization more attractive. So today we are going to prepare new dashboard, right? So first of all, what we have to do, get data, and my file is .csv file. So I have to go there in .csv file, and this is my data, and I will open this file. Otherwise, what we have to do, you have to open this. I have already opened this file, edited data. So I'm using, this is the data. So first of all, what we have to do, we will put it here, a text box, and here is we will write, because what we had written, whatever dashboard name you would like to give, I have to give global store dashboard. So simply I am giving global, this one is the, I'm writing here is global store dashboard. Now, what we have to do, let's say this is the very small font size, so I can increase my font size. I'm just selecting this, and after that, I would like to give it like a 14 font size. After that, let's say I want to give this color as this is the black color. Okay, fine. And after that, it should be bold, right? So I would select it and it would be bold. I can do centralize this. And now you can see I can, because this is the left side oriented, so I can put it as a center in the center. Now, what we have to do, simply, I want this global store should be here, right? That should be aligned here, and size little bit we can increase. That should be up to 16. Now it's fine. So this is my dashboard name, global store dashboard. And now what I have to do, I'm going to prepare, this is the curve, let's say. This one is the stack bar chart, and I want to create bar chart in between. Let's say I want to create bar chart in between profit, and we can take it, let's say, uh, we will take it month-wise data. So this one is the order ID, order priority, and after that we can see this one is the order ID, order date. So rather than order date, I just want to take, this one is month wise, right? So I have put it here. Now you can see this is the sum of profit by month, sum of profit on the y axis, on the x axis, you can see month. So what we can do now, uh, first of all, I would like to give background to this canvas. So we can click here outside this curve, and simply we will go there, visualization, and here is canvas background. I have to select this canvas background and I would browse. And let's say I would like to use this one as the, I think it looks better. So I would use this wallpaper, and I will reduce this transparency. Now you can see it's visible. And when this is visible and it's the image fit is normal, so I don't want normal, it should be fit. So now it is fitted in my entire canvas. And transparency also we can increase or decrease. It would be on the lighter shade, and if I will reduce, so that would be on the darker shade. And now what we have to do, I will reduce this, and here is, you can see, we will shift curve over here. Now you can see we want color in this background of this color also. So simply I will click inside the curve, and I will go there in the visualization and I will go to journal. And after that, what I will do, I will click here effect and background. If I would increase this transparency, now you can see this color is visible, right? So this would be, let's say I have put it here. Now you can see these names are because these are in the black color. So we have to change their color. Name of the months are not visible. So simply you have to click here and you will go to this one is the visualization and now x-axis and now color we will change and color would be like that. So now these name of the months are visible. Same thing we would apply on the y-axis also. And simply I will click here y-axis and values. And in the values, you can say color is, let's say, I will put it here. So now you can see these colors. Up now, these are the name of the x-axis and y-axis. And this is the title. What we have to do, title, when we have to click here, title, suppose we don't want title in the y-axis, so we will simply put it off. So now this title is, earlier you can say, again I'm repeating this process on, so you can see sum of profit is visible. So if you don't want, so you can off this y-axis title. And same thing you can apply on x-axis also. So simply what we have to do, title of the x-axis, you can off this title. Now month is no more is visible. And now what we have to do, let's say we are going to journal and here is the title. And title is sum of profit by month. And I want this profit by month that should be visible. So that is color I have changed and as well as their location also. I mean, it could be centralized and we can change font also. Now you can see sum of profit by month and I want to increase little bit the size. So now you can see the size is increasing. So now, next thing is, let's say I will click here once again, and now again we will go back here, and now grid lines. You can see these are the dotted lines. I don't want any grid lines, so simply I will off these grid lines. So now no more visualization of these grid lines. Now, what we have to do, simply we can do, right? You can put here and you can click here, and after that, what we can do, simply we can, this one is the, you can say, simply when you are going to do, this one is the columns, right? Columns color you want to change, so you can change. I have taken this blue, you can take that blue. So now the color of the columns is changed. And after that, what you have to do, simply we will go there and page information, canvas setting, wallpaper, and this one is the, all these things you can apply. Canvas setting also and canvas background. I have already shown you wallpaper also you can use. I will show you how to use wallpaper also, right? And further is now you can see here. These are the legends. Correct. So what we have to do, simply we will put it here. Now what we can do, simply I would like to create another chart. You can see in my, this one is the entire complete canvas. Sum of profit by subcategory wise. I would like to create this one. So what I will do, I will go there and I will take this chart, right? And in this chart, let's say I want some of profit. This is my profit and I will simply drag it. And by we will use, this one is the subcategory wise, right? So these are my subcategories, sum of profit by subcategories, and you can click here, right? So in my, this curve is subcategories are, you can see appliance, phones, chairs, copiers, bookcases, tables, etc. And simply what we have to do, we will click here and we will format painter and we will click here and now you can see this, the format painter is working here and the same kind of setting is here. But this is the sum of profit by subcategory. Now, let's say I don't want this color of these bars. So simply I will do it. What I have to do, simply I will go there and let's say I will click here in general and let's say effects and visual borders. I'm just going to create it, but before that, I'm just go there the visuals and simply bars. And I want to change color of these bars. So let's say we can take it. These should be the colors. So now this color has been changed. Now what we have to do, let's say we would like to give border also, right? So simply visual borders, you have to, you will click here, visual borders and visual borders color, you can choose yourself. Let's say suppose you are going to apply black. Visual borders, you have to click here on. So now you can see these visual borders has been created, that is black. And now what we have to do, simply in these visual borders, right? We will click here and after that now you can see further is these are my all these this one is the bars and all these are the borders and these are the this the border is across I mean that would be that means these bars required borders, we don't want to put it these borders. And if you're going to press here, I mean you will click here and then format painter and simply you will do it right, format painter, so all these colors has been changed here and border is also placed over here. And simply what we have to do, and I just want to change color of these bars, so simply I will go there and I'm just putting up in general. And now you can see this one is the, mm, you can see visuals. And after that, you can change the colors of the columns. And now I don't want these colors. I want simply blue color. So now you can see these are borders has been created. Now further is we are going for this. Next is we are going to prepare. This one is the, let's say, donut chart. So we had selected this donut chart and now in the same manner, we have created this one is the donut chart and we would like to create some of quantity by category. So simply we will select it here. This one is the quantity. We have to drag it here and after that, sum of profit we will select here. Now you can see, and we will click here. So now you can see this one is the sum of quantity and sum of profit. Now you can see here is we have taken sum of quantity by category, not this one is the not by profit. So simply what we have to do, we will click here. Sum of quantity it is all right, right? But sum of profit we don't want because we are going to creating this bar in between sum of quantity by category. So this one is the, we are going to select here. This one is the quantity. Quantity is, I think this one is the quantity. I have seen quantity. Mm, yes, this is the quantity and simply we will drag it. So this is the sum of the, sorry, sum of the quantity. And here is we are going to take by category. And sorry, sum of quantity is already there. So we will select here. We will select here and we will cross this and by category. Category is, yes, this is the category. So now you can see this one is the sum of quantity by category that is visible. So all these three categories like technology, furniture, office, etc. that is visible. So simply what we have to do, we will simply through format painter, we have to do select this color. Now it's not visible. So simply we will go there, right? You have to select here and visualization. And finally, those are the slices, right? Color is all right, right? And then finally legends and legends color, we will click here, right? These are the legends and text. And now you can see we don't want black color and because that is not visible. So we have selected this category, technology, furniture and all and all. And after that, let's say, suppose these are the legends we have already changed. And after that, let's say, suppose those are the title sum of quantity, that is all right. Those are the subtitles, we have not given any. And background also you can do change, like suppose you would like to increase this background 83%, you can do that. And after that, what we have to do, simply, I'm just putting off visualization. And these are my slices. So these are the slices, and now color is here, and now spacing and all. And I would like to change these colors also. This one is the text also. I would like to simply, we will go there, and now you can see visualization in general, right? And simply just a moment, and slices, detail levels, and further is values. Yes. So I would like to change values of these. So now it is visible. You can see. So this is our one of the curve is here. So we will put it here. And now same way you can copy this and you can paste here, and synchronization, visualization, but don't synchronize. I said simply, I said you have to take this one is the, we would remove this. We will remove this, right? And simply what we have to do, Control C and Control D. And now you can put it here, right? Now, what we want to create next one is, this one is the sum of quantity by ship mode, right? What I mean, how many people have used what kind of mode? So sum of quantity by ship mode. So simply we will click here, and sum of quantity, that is all right, right? And here is, we will remove this category, and this is the sum of quantity by ship mode. We will select here. This one is the, what would be the mode of the, this one is the ship mode. We have to put it here. Now you can see all these figures has been changed. So first class, right, standard, second, and in the same day, all this thing data is here. Now the next thing is what we have to do. You can see now we are going to create, this one is the sum of profit by customer name also. So here is simply what we have to do. We will select, this one is the curve, right? And in this curve, what we will do, quantity. First of all, we are going to select, this one is the quantity wise, who are the topmost customers in my this database. So I would select this quantity, right? And I will take it here is customer name. So I will put it here, customer name. So you can see there are n number of the customers are visible, right? So, but I don't want these number of the customers over here. So what I will do, let's say I just want to, I will apply, these are the filters. So simply I will click here. So let's say customer name, I don't want to get all customer names. So let's say we can, basic filtering we would apply. So top n means how many customers are we required? Let's say 6 customers are more than enough. And sum of quantity here is on what basis you require. So simply you will go there, and the sum of quantity is you will select and you will put it here, sum of quantity. So now, and apply filter. So now you can see 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 6, around how many I had put it, 6. Those 6 are visible over here. And simply what we have to do, simply we will select this and format painter, and we will apply this format painter here also. But I don't want this blue color, I would like to change this color, and filter we are putting off. So I will apply on these bars colors. Let's say, mm, simply I will take it bars color. I would like to change these colors. So let's say we can select, mm, let's say, I think we can take it this one, right? This color is little bit different from other colors. Now what we have to do, simply we are going to create these tiles, these cards we have to create. So card, let's say you can see I had created 4 cards over here, sum of quantity, sum of profit, sum of sales, and sum of shipping, right? So on the basis of this, we are going to create, right, sum of quantity. We will simply drag it, And now you can see sum of quantity that is visible. Now, what we have to do, simply we will for doing format painter and we will apply here format painter, right? You can see format painter. Now color has been changed. So now I don't want this color because sum of quantity is not visible as well as one to one. It should be also in the same pattern. It should be white. So I will click here and simply I will go there. And this one is the call out value. I don't want black. So I want this color. I had given this value. And after that, I've changed means color and these category level also, we will go there category level. I don't want this one is the sum of quantity. Now it's visible. So simply what we have to do, we will copy or you can do this one is the click here, control C and you have to click outside control V. And now this is the next one is the card. And after that again, control C and you will click here, control V. And after that, you can simply control Z. I'm just putting up control Z, right? And here is, you can click here, control C, and outside this, control V. And now you can drag it. This is the next card is created. And in the same way, this one should be, let's say, I have taken this one is on the basis of sum of sales. So I am putting up here basic. This one is the where is the sales? Yeah, this is the sale. So I am just putting up this one is the sale. Sorry, you have to click here and sum of quantity. Uh, you have to remove it and then there is the sales. You have to put it here. So now you can see this is the sales is visible. Now you can see sales is visible, right? And after that, you can see this one is the, let's say, sum of quantity. And after that, we would like to give here is sum of profit. So what we have to do, simply we will take sum of profit. You have to click here and sum of quantity, you can remove this and sum of profit, you can put it here. And now you can see sum of profit that would be visible, right? And after that, you can see what we simply we will copy and this one is the again we will copy control C and here is control V. Next style also we want to prepare it, right? Size should be similar because I'm just increasing and decreasing their size. That should be at the equal, I mean, that would be more presentable. Right. So we will click here. I don't want sum of sale. What you want, let's say shipping cost you want. So you have to click here. So now shipping cost that is visible over here. Now global store, sorry, global store, this one is the color also we can change, right? So background color, right? So simply we are going to taking this one is the format painter and we will click here, right? And just a moment and format painter and we will click here. So no background color is over here, no problem. And we can centralize this and simply we can change this color also, right? And I will do it. But before that, what we have to do, simply some slicers I want. So I will put it here, slicers. Slicers on the basis of, let's say, we can take it on the basis of quarter, right? So you can take it quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. So we have to see our sales on the basis of, let's say, what was the sale in quarter one, what was the sale in quarter two, quarter three, and so on. So simply we would like to click here. And now we have to go for this visualization slicer setting. I don't want vertically. I want this is in the form of the tiles. And simply what we have to do, you can see and I would like to drag it here and size that would be little bit small and now you can see and I would like to remove quarter one, quarter two. Let's say suppose you want to see quarter one. So it is keep on changing. Quarter two, it's keep on changing. Quarter three, it's keep on changing. You can see. And in the month of October, November, and December, each and everything you can see. And simply what we have to do, we will click here and that would be the format painter and simply we have to put it there format painter. Now you can see background is changed, right? And after that, let's say, yes, we will simply copy this and copy and control C and control V. Now, let's say, suppose you want to see drop down box, right? Drop down box, on what basis you want to see? Let's say you want to see drop down box, and I'm just going there, right? And this one is I want, let's say, I'm just removing this quarter, and I want on the basis of country. Country is here, right? So simply on the basis of country. Now you can see this is the country. Now I have to change this, because that should be the, rather than these things should not be tiles on the basis of drop down. So I've selected drop down. Now you can see this, the color also we have to change, right? Because you can see all Afghanistan, Australia, Austria, and all. Let's say I want to see the visualization of the Afghanistan. So now it's all these things has been changed. Let's say if I will talk about, let's say, China. So now you can see China. This is here are some negative values also you can see. So you can change these negative values data also in your this one is the bar color of these negative values you can change. Conditional formatting also you can do it. And let's say suppose you don't want, so simply you have to clear selection. So clear selection means it is reflecting all. Now, let's say one more drop down box also you would like to create. You would like to create. So simply you have to click here and you have to control V. And after that, you can see this one is the not on the basis of the country and not on the basis of the country. And simply we will remove these countries. Let's say you want to see the data on the basis of the state. So state-wise data also you can see. Here is the all these state. Now you have to click here. Let's say whatever the state, Beijing, Berlin, Bihar. Let's say I want to see Bihar data. So it is like that, and only quarter 3 data. So now it is like this. And after that, let's say this one is the California. So I would like to click here California, and I don't want to see quarter wise. Overall, I would like to see. So that is reflecting over here. So now you can see in the October sales was very less if we will talk about in terms of California. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. You know how we are going to create all these things, and how we are going to create slicers, how we are going to create other things. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. And like suppose visualize visual border, if we will talk about, let's say I have taken black color, right? Black color visual borders. Now, what we have to do, simply we are going to creating here. And if you would like to change the visual border color, so you can change also. Let's say I have taken this the pink color. You can see. So now color has been changed. And now what we have to do under this category, let's say I don't want these corners should not be very sharp. These should be the round shape corners. So simply I will round it corner, that is on the 18 points. So you can see now these borders you can see round shape borders. So simply I will do it. Simply I will press here. This was the format painter, and I can apply on all these things. So I hope this video would be helpful to you, and I'm going to share all these things. I think this color has not been changed. So let me change this global store border color also. So simply I will go there, format painter. I would press this. I don't know what happened, why this color is not changing. And I will see. Okay, fine. This color is white, but otherwise in my previous video, you can say global store dashboard color is changed. So let me change. If there is anything that is background color, we can change. So let me check, and background color. Otherwise, through format painter also you can change. You can change these. This one is the those are your global store dashboard. You can change all these font size. I mean font color you can change. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. Thank you. Stay tuned and keep watching. In the next video, I would like to cover up some more pattern of this dashboard, some more icons I would like to introduce. Thank you so much. Keep watching.